Now here on this coldish Friday morning, overcast Friday morning at Ireland's oldest surviving railway station, Blackrock, and it's gone through a lot of changes since its opening day on December 17th, 1834, and you can notice the differences in the station. About 22 years ago they extended the platforms straight ahead there, and the platforms were replaced during the construction of the Dart here, and that rather ugly concrete bridge there, and the more immediate bridge to facilitate wheelchair users and older people, that was replaced 20 years ago. Then you have the railing here, or the gate here, that was blocked up during the Dart construction work in 1984, and so that was all blocked off. And also the flagstones here, I believe they back to, well, they're at least a century old. They could stay back to the origins of the line, but you can see the different levels to the current level. So the steps that go down. You have a better perspective here. The Turtle Bunbury, most of the stations now cover some archive history on local personalities associated with the area or events that took place. And those that remember Father Ted and the rather inebriated Father Jack with his drink and feck and all that stuff. Frank Kelly was born here, lived in Blackrock most of his life, died 2016. And Lord Edward's home, the fantastic home there where the current Frascati Centre is. Classic Georgian house that was criminally demolished in 1983. So, you know, you have things like this, the baths. Astonishing stats, nearly 3,000 people a day use the baths, and they closed officially in 1986, and the structure was demolished in 2013. So we just exit the station now. There's the remnant of the baths here, the supporting wall. So we just leave the station. Now a bit of historical information here. So this car park, believe it or not, before the building of the railway in the 1830s was actually the sea. So the sea came right up to that wall, and really the causeway was built from the level crossing at Marion Gates right up to the station. So it's quite an extraordinary piece of engineering. And then you had to deal with Harcourt Lees and Lower Cloncarry. I'll put some information in there. You have to compensate them financially, as well as building a harbour and a bridge for them, for the railway to pass through their land. So they were quite demanding. Okay, I'll leave it at that for the moment. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll put in some information on the station, Lower Cloncarry and Harcourt Lees. Thank you.